Good evening, friends. So today I received a complaint when you switch on the hand pace and after connecting the hand pace to the console. So while pressing the foot switch, you can hear the sound. Press the foot switch and you can feel the sound. See that? See the squeezing noise inside the motor, and you can see that hand pace stalled, which means that here the hand pace inside there will be some brushless motor. Okay, so if the motor windings are partially damaged, automatically what happen? The machine will deliver the current to the motors. So it was sensing that during this period only you can hear the sound. It was trying to rotate, but due to jammed inside, motor was jammed inside, it was not able to rotate, and that's the reason it was showing this error, and it will show hand piece stalled. Hand piece stalled, which means that inside the motor having some damage. So in such cases, not to avoid to like running the motor, the console will sense the leakage current and automatically give the alarm. Okay, in such cases, don't run the motor, take this motor and send it for service. Okay, this kind of motor problem will happen due to reusage of blades. For example, these are the state blades or cow blades, whatever the blades. If you are reusing more, or if you are not maintaining proper cleaning method, those cases, this automatically water will go inside the motor, or blade debris. For example, if you are these blades are disposables, if you are reusing more than 10 times, 15 times, automatically what happen? This base side one washer will be there. This washer and all get damaged, which leaks the debris, blades, burrs. When you are using blades and burrs, all the debris from the tip will come to this side area and will go into the motor windings. So due to this, short circuit will happen inside the motor. Okay, so always try to avoid reusing of blades and burrs and have a minimal case load. Something around, we will suggest around 4 to 5 cases maximum. Okay, even the 4th case, 5th case also you can feel some difficulties. Sometimes what surgeon will say that no, I am using for 10 cases, 50 cases, nothing happened. Sometimes it may luck, it may work, but during long time usage, what happened? After 6 months or 7 months, you may have the problem with the motor. At that time, you need to pay around some lakhs. Okay, now to avoid this, try to have a habit of changing blades at regular intervals. Okay, so that's the reason this problem will happen, and I just want to share this information to you. Thank you then.